What's up, YouTube? So today I wanted to talk to you guys about stripper clips. What exactly they do, how they're used, obviously what they look like. So a lot of you people might know what they look like, what they're used for, how they work. But for those that don't, that's what this video is here for, is to show you guys how they're used, what they do, and that they're actually pretty cool. So, alright. So here we have a stripper clip. Just a simple piece of brass, many other types of metals that you can make them out of. But anyways, so there's two pieces to it. So there's the rail, the sliding part, and then there's this inner piece right in here that holds, let's see if I can get a better picture. Actually, for some reason this one's straight on both sides, so we'll grab a different one. So this is what they're supposed to look like. Is they're supposed to have one side up and one side pretty much straight out, just like that. So, and how it works is the one side that's folded up right there, that side holds the shells or your ammunition from being able to come out that side. See, if you push down on this side, it'll push it up against it, and it holds it from being able to come out that side. So there's only one side that they come out, and that's on this side. So anyways, how they work is you look for this side that's flat, and on a lot of rifles they have an opening. Excuse me. They have openings right here where the bolt action usually is, and then there's usually your spot in here that holds your shells. Now, let me put this down so I can use my other hand. There we go. So a lot of the times people will take, one at a time, and a lot of you have probably done this, but you set it in and you just push down. You grab another one, you set it in, and you just push down. And it goes in and in until you're full, and then from there there we go, let me get a better angle. Your bolt action right here will grab the bottom of this shell or ammunition and slide it right down into the barrel. Now, if you think about it, just taking them one at a time, setting them in, and just doing that until it's full. A lot of them only hold like 3 to 5 rounds, and so really that's not going to take time at all. But just for the fun of it, they made it a little bit easier on us. So let me get these ones out real quick, so hold on. Alright. Okay. Now with a stripper clip, they're already preset in there. You have to do it yourself, of course. But anyways, the stripper clip slides right into that opening that I showed you guys earlier, right here. Just set it right on down in, and then from there, that piece holds it. Now, all you have to do, take your finger, and you just slide them all in. And they all go in real nice and simple. Pull your stripper clip out, do whatever with that, and then you are ready to go. You are all full. So that's what that looks like, and that's how it's used. And it's pretty simple to refill as well. So you take your stripper clip. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, just right here. Alright, so you have your stripper clip. You're going to take your bullet here, and you're going to look for that opening again. Yep, so that piece is how it's flat. Not this side, the round side, that side stays. You're going to take it and push it down and just slide it forward on in. Although sometimes it does that, but not supposed to. There you go. Slides right in like that. And then you grab your next one. And you're going to do the same thing and just slide it on in. Come on. Go. And then your next one, just slide it on in. And your next one, slide it on in. And your next one. And then there you have it. So, this is my rifle. It's a A303. Not 100% sure on what exact year this one is, but yeah. Alright. A303. It shoots 30-06. Uses stripper clips, or you can load it by hand. It's a very fun rifle. This is what a stripper clip is. This is what they look like loaded. And you just look for the side that isn't folded, so that would be this side. And like I said, you set it right in that slot. And then you would just push down on it and it loads it. And it's real simple. And if you just get a bunch of them ready, you can go out and shoot all day. So the safety is on. So it says safe right there.